This dish is so delicious and easy to prepare. And because it's quick, it's something we'd usually have during the midweek, when we feel like something tasty but don't have a lot of time on our hands. And the sauce is my favourite part. It's so creamy and delicious and packed full of flavour. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of all future videos. This recipe, along with our other recipes, are on our website. And of course, all of our recipes are vegan, gluten-free and oil-free. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your tofu. So cut it into fairly thick pieces. And place into a bowl with your soy sauce and your sesame seeds. Give it a good mix and set aside. The next thing you need to do is to cook your noodles. Today I'm using flat rice noodles. The cooking time for these noodles is about 6 to 8 minutes. I time my noodles for 7 minutes exact, and they always come out perfectly. The key thing is that after 7 minutes, you run cold water over your noodles. This prevents them from overcooking and becoming mushy. Next, you want to chop up your spring onions. And then your coriander. So that includes the stem and the leaves. Next, chop up your button mushrooms into small pieces. Place your pan on medium heat. Tumble in all your ingredients. Along with salt, garlic powder and pepper. Don't add any water at this point because a lot of water will be released from these ingredients. Stir, then cover with the lid. Once the ingredients are soft, add your corn and water. And cover. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then remove about 2/3 of the solid component. Blend until smooth, then return to the pan. Add cold water to your corn flour and mix until all the lumps disappear. Then add to the sauce. Mix until the sauce becomes creamy and thick. Then set aside. Next, place your non-stick pan on medium-high heat. Place in your tofu pieces. Cook until golden brown. Turn over and cook for another 30 seconds or so. Keep a close eye on this because it can become brown very quickly. Now I'm going to use my trusty peeler to create some ribbons of courgette, carrot, and capsicum. Using a peeler is a great idea, especially if you're like me and don't have the best knife skills. Now you're ready to assemble. Ladle your sauce into the bottom of a bowl. Place in a handful of noodles. Some capsicum, courgette, and carrot. Grilled tofu, and finally coriander. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.